Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll be talking about a successful Google Ads campaign. Okay, so you can see over here, we are going to be talking about this website. So the website name is 𝒂𝒐𝒐𝒍. Okay, they're providing mobile mechanic services and they're based in uh, Orlando, Florida or Central Florida. Okay, so they're providing quality mobile mechanic services. So if you want to take their services, you can come to this website or you can type 𝒂𝒐𝒐𝒍.net and then you can take their services. So they're basically doing on-site diagnostics, mobile brake repair, fuel system repair, mobile tire repair services, suspension and steering, transmission services, engine repair, exhaust system repair, battery services, electrical system repairs. Okay. So yeah, so let's talk about the case study, or let's talk about how we successfully run the campaign and how we generated phone calls and leads using Google Ads. Okay. So first of all, I'll show you how I track the data or how I gathered the data. What was the process. So for that, I used Google Tag Manager. You can see over here, I have used different types of conversion actions for this website. So their main goal uh, was to generate leads and phone calls. Okay. So you can see over here, if someone comes to this website and make a phone call, then this is one of the conversions of them. Similarly, we have a appointment booking. So if someone click on book appointment, okay, and then just wait a little bit, then they have a calendar form available here. So whenever you fill up the information, then it will be redirected to a thank you page. So we are tracking this as one of our leads. And if I go to uh, the bottom of this side, then we have an option or a button called request a quote. So if I click on it, then we have a phone number available here. Sorry, we have a form available here. So whenever they're submitting this form, we're tracking this as one of our leads. Okay. Similarly, we're collecting email address, you know. So this is also one of our macro conversion. If I go to Google Tag Manager, then you can see over here Gmail clickers. Okay. So book appointment, call from website, then contact us lead, get a free code. Okay, phone call clickers, and we are using Google Ads remarketing tag so that we can remarket the audiences as well. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the Google Ads campaign. So you can see over here, I have sorted the date range from March 4 to April 15 because currently the campaign is paused because I have suggested this guy to create different landing pages for his different services. So you can see over here right now we don't have different or dedicated landing pages for dedicated now services. So before running ads, I have suggested him to create different landing pages for the different services, but uh, it was emergency for him to run ads. So we have run ads for almost 1.5 months, and we have generated 176 leads. So in between 176, we have phone calls, we have form fill up, So these are the conversions actually. Now he's making the dedicated landing page so that we can run ads on different services for the different ads. Okay. So you can see over here, from March 4 to April 15, we have generated 726 clicks. Okay. And our conversion was 176, average CPC 3.76%, and total spending was 2.73K. So if I go to the campaign section, Then you can see over here, I have generated more than 11K impressions. CTR is decent, 6.10%. And here is the results. Okay, you can see over here phone call leads, request codes, submit lead forms. So everything is over here. And as the bidding strategy, we are using maximize conversions because our account has enough data. So you can see the conversion rate is above 24%. Okay, so if I try to show you the conversion rate benchmark for this niche, so this is actually car niche or vehicle niche. So the conversion rate benchmark for the vehicle niche is 7.98%, but we are getting 24.31%. That means we are doing great, you know. But I want to get more than that. That's why I am trying to make different types of landing pages for different services, you know. And the cost per conversion is 15.45. Okay, so let's dive into the campaign and see how uh what we're doing actually for optimizing the campaign. Okay, so this is the ad group. So as I already told you that I don't have the dedicated landing pages for this website. So this is a generic website. That's why I have created only one ad group for this campaign, you know. So whenever I will have different types of landing pages for different services, then I'm gonna create multiple ad groups, and inside each ad group, I'm gonna be targeting uh, the specific services. For example, if I have a landing page for mobile brake repair, okay? So I'm gonna create an ad group for mobile brake repair, and I'm gonna target all the keywords related to mobile brake repair near me, this kind of mobile brake repair services, you know, and all the ad copies will be relevant to this, you know, like this. I'm gonna be using the keywords, then benefits, then call to action, USPs, you know, so that our ads quality or keyword quality scores uh, gets so high so that we can get more conversion, you know. So quality score is one of the key factors for getting higher conversion, you know. So this is the process actually. So I'm gonna click on the ad group, then I'll show you some of the keywords I'm targeting for this ad group. So you can see over here, I have sorted it using the conversion. So mechanic near me, automobile repair near me, mobile mechanic Orlando, AC repair for cars, roadside mechanic, Orlando mobile mechanic. So these are some of the keywords, you know. Then if I go to the auction insights reports, then you can see we are beating every other competitor. So if I am talking about the impression share, then we are getting 18.39% impression shares, whereas my competitors are getting 10%, less than 10% impression share. And if you see the top of the page rate, we have got more than 70%. And if I'm talking about absolute top of the page, that means number one. So we have secured 24% spot for the number one position, you know. That means we're doing great. Then if I go to the ads section, so as I told you, the currently the ads are paused because I have told uh this person to create dedicated landing pages. Okay, so in one ad group, I'm using three ads. Okay, so that I can A/B test these three ads and I can get the winning one. Okay, so you can see over here we have the data, and on the basis of data we can see the performance and we can take the decisions, you know. So this one is outperforming these two ads. Okay, 501 clicks and 125 conversions with 25% conversion rate. Okay, whereas this one has got 20% and this one has got 23. 20 and 23 are not bad, but 25% is better than them. Okay, so what you need to do if you want to scale the campaign, for me, what I'll be doing, I'm gonna be copying this ad, and I'm gonna make some minor changes to these ads and then make it live, and I'm gonna post these ads because this one is not performing well in compared to these two. Okay, so you can see over here. Then I'm gonna be testing them for next 1 month. Then in next 1 month I'll be getting another winning ads. So this is the process actually. Then for the optimization things, if you ask me what I am doing for the optimization, then I'll go to the search term first. So I used to check the search term reports in every 72 hours. Okay. So if you go to my search terms, then you can see over here I have added necessary search terms. So this is the optimization part. So if you think now you are getting the necessary search terms, then you should add them. And what you need to do, you need to add negative keywords. So if you do if you make some irrelevant keywords to your negative keywords, then uh, your ad cost will be low and you will get uh, high quality leads. Your conversion rate would be high because you're not being searched for the irrelevant traffic. So I would suggest you to add as much negative keywords as you can. So you can see over here I have made several negative keywords, which are not relevant for my business. Okay, perfect. So negative keyword is one of the key factors for getting high conversion rate. Then I'm optimizing for the devices. You can see over here. For the device adjustment, I used to do it on a weekly basis. So uh, you can see over here mobile phone, computers, and tablets. So tablets are not performing well. That's why I have decreased the bid adjustment by 100%. And mobile phones are performing well. As you can see, we have got 163 conversions using mobile phones. That's why I have increased the bid adjustment for mobile phones by 6%. So you can do mobile bid adjustment or device adjustment on a weekly basis. Then you can monitor the performance of the assets, on a monthly basis. So unfortunately, you cannot increase or decrease the bids for the assets. But what you can do, you can see the performance of the assets. Then you can either create new assets or you can pause the low performing assets. Okay. Then for the audiences, I used to optimize the audiences on a weekly basis, like age, genders, and household incomes. So if I try to show you age, then you can see over here I have increased the bid adjustment from age range 35 to 44 by 5% because it has got 33 conversions. Similarly, for genders, you can see over here for the male genders, I have increased the bid adjustment 5% because it has got almost 93 conversions. Similarly, for household income, I have increased the bid adjustment for lower 50% by 5%. Because it has got 44 conversions. Okay, so this is the optimization things you can apply for your campaign on a weekly basis. And another optimization things I'm doing is basically the location optimization. So I used to do it on a weekly basis. Okay, so you can see over here this is our location. So Orlando, Florida is really performing well because it has generated 190 leads, 109 leads actually. That's why I have increased the bid adjustment for Orlando, Florida by 8%. And others location uh, is barely performing. This one is also performing well. So this one is outperforming everyone. That's why I have increased the bid adjustment. Okay. So this is how you can optimize your campaign for the better performance. Okay, you can see my ads. This is the ads. In the overview section, you can see the dashboard over here. Then you can see the ad performance across devices. Then your gender is, you know, performance of the day, and you can see your ads over here and uh, searches as well. Okay, your keywords, your top signals, so you can review them from this section as well. So yeah, uh, if you want to run any Google Ads campaign for your mobile mechanic repair service or car repairing services or auto repairing services, then you can consider us because we have a strong portfolio. We have a strong background of running Google Ads for mobile mechanic, automobile services, mobile mechanic, mobile repair services, car repair services. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. And if you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a nice day. Bye bye.